So I tried street photography for the first time yesterday and it was a lot harder than I thought. I usually like to take my time taking photos to get the composition and the exposure right. So doing street photography and like being out on the streets and taking pictures of people up front was pretty scary, and it was definitely not something I was used to. When I first started shooting, I was pretty hesitant on taking photos because I didn't want to provoke anyone or to make them upset that I was taking pictures of them. And yeah, so there were a lot of missed photos and a lot of missed opportunity there. There's this one YouTuber, Faisal, he shared this tip to overcome the fear of shooting in the streets, and that was to always have an explanation prepared. And I think that would have been a lot more helpful if I knew that before. One thing I definitely noticed is that, you know, your camera attracts so much attention, like especially when I was wearing my GoPro and I'm walking around with my camera, everyone's looking at you and they think you're suspicious, or random strangers come and ask if you can take a photo of them, and it's a little bit uncomfortable. I mean, I think the whole street photography thing is a little uncomfortable. I think it's definitely a cool experience to get out on the street and to document people in their daily lives and just doing what they do. And yeah, so after this whole experience, I have a huge respect for like street photographers who do this, because it's so hard, and like you have to be so fast and you have to be so discreet, and that is just something I'm not good at. I look so silly when I'm out on the streets because I'm trying to take a photo really fast. I'm taking the photo without looking because I don't want to be caught. I'm not really good at taking photos without looking into the viewfinder, so a lot of my photos were just missed shots. Anyway, that was just a little bit about my experience doing street photography for the first time. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.